Hey, I'm gonna take you for a hot lap down Sunnyside. All right, let's gear up and let's get it. Yo, let's get it. Yo, little pedally section here. So this is one of my favorite trails for riding down. It's got lots of good descent, lots of steep sections. It's gonna sound a little weird, my voice, because I do wear a mouth guard as I ride, so it's gonna sound a little funky, but I wear a mouth guard. So this is the first little section here. It's a little rocky as we come in. Little chunky here. And I drop my gear, so kicks my derailleur out of the way. All right, the section, we're getting into it here now. Woo! All right, a little rooty. Then, all right, as we get into this, don't get tree slapped in the head. There is a section coming up right here that's pretty steep. Woo! Then this we gotta jump off of. Woo! Yeah, all right. Woo! Little jump there. All right, corner. Now I do know it's pretty rough today, apparently. Woo! Steep there. Jump that. Woo! A little bit on the brakes. So, won't jump that. Woo! Jump that into the corner. Woo! All right. Let's see what else we got here. This trail's pretty fast. Flowy. Big corners. All right, here we go. Yo. Oh, pretty loose today. I'm gonna take it a little slower. Gotta get off that front brake. Woo! All right, here we go. Woo! That's pretty bomb hold there. Woo! All right, here we go. Oh, that's rough. Whew. Don't hit the tree. Whew. Jump. Nice little double. All right, this corner's probably pretty rough. Yeah. Woo, rocky, yeah. That was normal. Okay. Yeah, pretty bomb hold today. All right, and into the jump. Woo! Little bar turn, super fun. Woo! Little bar turn again, super fun. Woo! Okay, a little rest because that was super chunky. Woo! Into that jump. Woo! Chuck that one. And into this one. Woo! Super fun. Oh yeah. Okay, big high on this turn. Woo! Little chunky. Woo! Loose there. All right, into this jump. Let's go. Woo! Came up a little short, so we'll roll that one today. Which is, can't win them all. Oh yeah, super good. Woo! That's a big jump. Super fun. Okay, getting a little downhill here. Woo! Woo! Okay, now into this rocky section. Woo! it's loose today. All right. All right. That's the first section. Woo, super fun. Now this is the next section. Pretty fun. Little more flowy, little chunky, probably kind of a little more like that upper section. So let's get the second section. Yo, let's go. Woo. All right, we are dropping in. Woo. Yo, super fun. Woo. Woo. All right, a little loose there for sure. I'm gonna roll this one because it doesn't have enough speed for it today, but it's fine because this corner isn't very good. Okay, a little rooty there, a little chunky in this section. Don't smash your pedal, get off the brakes, and into this one. Oh, better jump that. Woo! Okay, let's go. Woo. Pretty chunky there. Woo. Woo. All right, high on that corner. Woo. Now this is steep, so we're gonna drop in here. Woo. Nice line today. Woo. Now, don't hit the tree. That one's always close to the bar. Woo. Woo. Super good. A little chunky here. Rudy, not the best corner. Little chunky here, don't hit the railing. Ooh, nice. Chunky. Pretty fun trail, don't hit the tree. Into the corner. Woo. Fast out, don't hit the trees. That would suck. Woo. Let's go. Woo. And this is coming out at the trailhead. Yo! Now that is Sunnyside. Hopefully you enjoyed and yeah, got to see what it's all about. All right, see you in the next one.